Tired of reading your notes again and again and still forgetting everything? Let's flip the script. I'll show you simple study hacks that actually make learning stick and save you time. By the end, you'll study smarter, remember more, and feel way more confident. Let's dive into it. Active recall. Active recall is simply about testing yourself instead of rereading your notes again and again. A lot of students keep reading because it feels productive. It's calm, easy, and comforting. But the truth is, your brain stays passive. It's not really learning. When you use active recall, your brain has to actually work. And that effort is what makes information stick. After studying a topic, close your book and try to explain everything you remember out loud, or write it down. Another easy trick is turning your headings into questions and answering them without looking at your notes. You might forget things at first, and that's okay. That small struggle is a good sign. It means your brain is building stronger memory connections. Active recall can feel harder than rereading, but it saves you so much time later. The more you practice pulling information from your brain, the more confident and prepared you feel in exams. Break big topics into smaller chunks. Big chapters feel scary because your brain sees them as too much at once. The moment you think, I have to study all of this, your mind wants to avoid it. That's completely normal. Heavy and confusing tasks make your brain shut down before you even start. This is why breaking topics into small chunks works so well. Instead of telling yourself you'll finish the whole chapter, focus on one small part only. Maybe start with just the definitions, then move to examples, then look at diagrams. One piece at a time. Small goals feel easier to begin and easier to finish. Every time you complete a chunk, your brain gets a little win, and that motivation pushes you forward. You stop rushing, you understand better, and studying feels more manageable instead of overwhelming. Revise important points before sleep. Your brain doesn't switch off when you sleep, it actually keeps working. That's why revising before bed can be surprisingly powerful. When you go over important points at night, your brain starts organizing and storing that information while you rest. You don't need long study sessions before sleeping. Even 10 to 15 minutes is enough. Just skim summaries, formulas, keywords, or flashcards. Keep it simple and calm. This is not the time to learn something completely new, because that can feel stressful and make it harder to relax. Light revision works best. When you wake up the next morning, the information feels more familiar, like you've already seen it before. Over time, this small habit can make a big difference in how well you remember things. Record yourself explaining topics. Teaching is one of the fastest ways to learn, even if you're teaching yourself. When you try to explain a topic out loud, your brain is forced to make sense of it properly. If you struggle to explain it simply, that's a clear sign you need a little more practice. Explain the topic as if you're teaching a friend who knows nothing about it. No pressure, no perfection. Just talk. Hearing your own voice makes learning feel more personal and real. It also helps you feel clearer and more confident before exams. This method is simple, but its impact is surprisingly powerful. Make boring facts funny. Boring facts are hard to remember because your brain simply doesn't care about them. It loves stories, emotions, and humor, not dry information. That's why turning boring facts into something funny works so well. You can make silly sentences, imagine weird pictures in your head, or turn facts into small jokes. Dates, formulas, or definitions become much easier to remember when they're linked to something funny or unusual. It might feel childish at first, but your brain remembers fun things far better than serious ones. The goal isn't to study perfectly, it's to make learning enjoyable. When studying feels fun instead of forced, you naturally want to do it more often, and remembering becomes effortless. Study at your peak time. Everyone has a time of day when their brain works the best. For some people, it's early morning. For others, it's late evening. When you study during this peak focus time, learning feels faster and less tiring. Pay attention to when you feel most alert and clear-headed. Use that time for harder subjects or topics that need deep thinking. Keep lighter tasks like revising or organizing notes for hours when your energy is low. Studying at the right time makes everything feel smoother. You get less frustrated, your brain gets less tired, and you understand more in less time. This small shift can boost your productivity without adding extra study hours. Stop multitasking while studying. Multitasking might feel like you're being productive, but it actually hurts your focus and memory. Think about it. Every time you check your phone or switch tabs, your brain gets confused, and it takes extra time to get back on track. Even tiny distractions can break your concentration more than you think. The simplest fix? Put your phone away or on silent and commit to one task at a time. A short session of deep, uninterrupted focus is far more effective than hours of distracted studying. The better you train your attention, the better your results will be. It really is that straightforward. Color code your notes. Color coding helps your brain organize and recognize information faster. Using different colors for headings, definitions, examples, and formulas makes notes easier to review. Do not overuse colors, because too many can be confusing. Stick to a simple system and use it consistently. Visual organization helps memory and makes revision less stressful. Well-organized notes save time before exams. When your notes look clear, your mind feels clear too. Don't relearn what you already know. One of the biggest study mistakes is going back to topics you already understand just because they feel safe and easy. It gives the illusion of productivity, but your brain isn't actually learning anything new. Real progress starts when you face the parts that confuse you, even if they feel uncomfortable at first. Instead of rereading everything, test yourself and notice where you get stuck. Those weak spots deserve most of your time and attention. When you focus on what needs improvement, studying becomes faster, smarter, and way more effective. Growth happens when you choose progress over comfort. Simple daily habits. The best study techniques really shine when you pair them with healthy daily habits. Going to bed early lets your brain rest and process everything you've learned. Eating nutritious meals keeps your energy steady, so you don't crash in the middle of the day. Putting your phone away before sleep helps your focus and memory work better. Even waking up a bit earlier to quickly revise before school can make a huge difference. These habits might seem small, but they build a strong foundation for learning. It's not about being perfect. Consistency matters way more. When your lifestyle supports your studying, everything feels smoother, less stressful, and way more effective. With these tips, studying doesn't have to be stressful or exhausting. By working smarter, staying consistent, and building simple habits, you can boost your focus, remember more, and feel confident in every exam. Small changes today can make a big difference tomorrow. And remember, bestie, we are not trying to be perfect. We are trying to be our best selves. Don't really push yourself. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.